Waterfalls are one of the most awe-inspiring and calming natural wonders that we can experience. They're beautiful to look at, but they also have a sound that is incredibly relaxing. It's no surprise that people often use recordings of waterfalls to create a peaceful environment for meditation or to help them fall asleep. But what is it about the sound of a waterfall that makes it so soothing? The answer lies in the science of sound and how our brains process it. Sound is created by vibrations that travel through the air and into our ears. These vibrations are then turned into electrical signals that our brain interprets as sound. Different types of sounds are processed in different parts of the brain. When we hear the sound of a waterfall, it activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for our rest and digest response. This is why we feel relaxed when we listen to the sound of falling water. It's not just the sound itself that creates this response, though. The sight of the waterfall, the cool mist in the air, and the negative ions that are produced all contribute to the calming effect. Negative ions are created when moving water breaks apart molecules in the air, creating negatively charged ions. These ions have been shown to have a positive effect on our mood and well-being. They can help to reduce stress, improve sleep quality, and boost energy levels. Waterfalls also provide a unique listening experience because of the way the sound travels. The sound of a waterfall is created by the water hitting rocks and other objects on its way down. This creates a complex pattern of sound waves that our brain finds interesting and pleasing to listen to. Additionally, the sound of a waterfall is often surrounded by silence, making it stand out even more. Finally, there is something about the sound of a waterfall that is simply timeless. Humans have been drawn to the sound of falling water for thousands of years. It's a sound that has been used in music, art, and literature for centuries. As our lives become increasingly busy and stressful, it's no wonder that we find comfort in the simple beauty of a waterfall. The sound of a waterfall is relaxing because it activates our parasympathetic nervous system, provides a unique listening experience, and creates negative ions that have a positive effect on our mood and well-being. Waterfalls are not only beautiful to look at but also offer a natural way to reduce stress and improve our overall health. So next time you hear the sound of falling water, take a moment to appreciate its calming effect on your mind and body.